How to change YouTube channel name is the topic of today's video. If you're new to the TutorialTucker channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. We're getting so close to 20,000 subscribers, so I'd really appreciate if we could get there soon. And then go and leave a like. It just really helps the video get to more people. So essentially, I'm showing you how to change your YouTube channel name. It's a really easy process, and I also go over how to do it on mobile as well, because I know a lot of people are trying to do it on their phones or a tablet or something like that. And I cover that while I sort of go through the computer version of the tutorial. No matter if you just want to change the name because of a spelling mistake, no matter if it's just because you want to change something more professional. So yeah, it's a really good method. I hope you do find it useful, and yeah, I hope you can change your name to whatever you want, and I'm showing the full tutorial right now, so let's jump straight into this. Right, so let's get straight into this tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is come to Google, of course. Now also I'll be explaining how to do this on mobile at the same time, so I'll have to quickly explain that as we go through the video. But it doesn't take actually that much longer, and there's only one simple step you have to actually take, and then you can completely copy this tutorial. So anyway, we're on Google. Let's Google YouTube, just like so, if I could spell it correctly, but then come here, of course, to youtube.com, and now we're going to be on YouTube. So as you can see, I've got my channel here. This is the channel I want to change the name to, so currently it's example, and I'm going to change to something else. So the first thing you need to do is, if you're on mobile, you actually need to go onto youtube.com, and then you need to click this like 3 dots, I believe. I'll do it on a screen recording. I'll try and put it on the screen right now. And then you click there, and there should be a setting like change to YouTube desktop. So then you can use YouTube desktop on your phone. It's super easy, and not many people know about that. So I do recommend checking that out, and I'll put up the screen recording on. So hopefully you're now on the YouTube desktop mode on your phone. So once you've done that, then all you want to do is come up here to your icon, click it, and click on your channel. And then it's going to take us to your channel, viewing it as a subscriber. And as you can see, currently I haven't done anything to this channel. There are no videos, there is no YouTube banner, no profile picture, completely empty in the about section as well. So all you want to do is come and click on the image here. We aren't changing the image. I know it's pretty sounds confusing, but as you can see, this in here says your profile picture comes from your Google account. Choosing may takes a few minutes to show on your channel. So this is the easiest way to get to the Google account to where we can change our username. So then you want to click edit, just like so. And it's going to take us to essentially our it's where Google Plus used to be, if you remember that, but it's now just like a Google page. Then you want to come up here and click the back button. So it's going to take us to our Google account, and here we are. So as you can see, you've got our name. So all you need to do is click on the name to change it. And as you can see, we can now edit it. Click there, and it's going to allow us to edit it. So I can literally change it to anything I want, like example V2. I do it like so. As you can see, that's literally it. And then all we do is click save, and it's going to save it. Now it's saved it. If we go back to YouTube, obviously I've got this as a shortcut up here. I'm going to click on YouTube and then come back to my channel. As you can see, it's now example V2. And this is super easy. This works if you're just trying to change your username to make it more professional, or you made a spelling mistake while you were typing the username originally, or it was all lowercase when in capital letters. It's so easy. Make sure you subscribe for more content, and that will hopefully have shown you the full steps for mobile as well. And quickly, for more tutorials just like this, make sure you do stick around. I've got a load of other videos to help you optimize your YouTube channel by any steps you can do to just customize, make it more awesome, and just more features you may have not known about before. I'll hopefully be revealing throughout some of these videos, so make sure you stick around, and let's just finish off this video. So if you found this useful, subscribe down below, leave a like. I do appreciate that a lot, and I look forward to catch you in the next video. Have an awesome day. Peace out.